Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and so today we are going to Cagayan de Oro.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれがなって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められてへんのやろ。
So hi everyone! There you go. Ito nyo ngayon, nakapaghilawas na ako, and day 1 here sa CDO is done. So sorry if hindi na ako nakapag-video. Pinagbabawal na po yung pag-video sa SM Downtown. Oh, I'm so busy. I don't really have the time to use my camera. By the way, nagkita rin pala kami ng aking father, mga relatives, si Ate Tatet. Nakita ko rin po, pumunta sila. This is the time na mag-start na ko o Binisaya Challenge, no? Ito kalimtan ng atong roots as Bisaya, no? Bisdak manggagta. Thank you kayo sa SM kay ila kong gihatagan ng chance. Mahimo nilang pronounce, or at the same time, nakauli ko din sa CDO, though I had the chance to choose CDO talaga. So when I was given the chance kung sa akong gusto nga pilion nga SM, of course first in mind was CDO. And shout out din po sa SM CDO Uptown kasi naa sila duha ka grabe gid sila ka welcoming, and you can really feel na, you know, special ka as a guest. Na ako'y nagtagbo sa ko sa airport, so hatid sundo gud ko. There's a run tomorrow. Nag-register mo gud ko, but the thing is there's miscom. I thought I was registered, but then again di ay siya na register. they gave me free kit. Kauli na tas diri sa atong lugar, pronouncer nag-work ta. At the same time, nakaranta. But thank you kayo, and thank you kayo SM for the opportunity. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning, mayong buntag sa tanan. Ang singlet kaya akong kuhaon taod-taod kay Ma'am Maylene. Alright, so there we go. I'll still try my best to keep the Bisaya Challenge ongoing. Madal ang camera kay mag-run man ta. So kabalik na lang ako. I will have breakfast, and then I'll make sure to video. Okay? Bye! Bulaga! Sige naman. Finally, we're back! Kabalik na kita, guys. Oh, na-time! Mera! Hala! Grabe ka. Tugiyot ako ang camera. Let's have a quick unboxing. Kung anong laman ng palut. Ah! So pretty! Kasi naikot-ikot yung parang mayroon siyang bling-bling. Thank you! Ito, mga free gym wow, free gym session. And then, Chippy, because one of the sponsors is Chippy. Wasabi from Calbee. At naapod tayo butter chows from Gardenia. Yan akong banan. Na nagpipang snack sa biyahe. Is Mangwan is also a sponsor. Bar Soap Pimple. Ay, para sa asawa ko to. Ayan, mayroon ka ng pang tanggal. And then, they have not just 1, but 2 Cloud9 chocolate drink. Duha ang ilang. Ayan, sponsor. Yo, 3+1. I think it's new. Or this is only a sample. C2, peach. Oh, favorite ng aking asawa. And extra. Oh! Brings back a lot of memories. But I don't really drink this, but I know before. 40D sunscreen from Dermaplus Services. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, there we go. Ayan ako nilipit. So, liligo na ako. Bye! Wagyu. Just like a normal chocolate. Like my natural. Lamig kayo. Hi everyone! Wala ako ng-makeup but I had the time to have collab. We're now here at the Lagandingan Airport waiting for my flight. I already checked in. Ay, mag-insaya dito. Paano ako dito sa airport sa Lagandingan. Naka-check-in na sa ko. That's my fit. Later, I'll show you my fit. We're just waiting for the plane, waiting for the boarding. Currently, it's 1:1. So, just wait. Show you later. Tchanan! It's a prank, guys. Charot-charot lang dito maalit na nag-makeup. Makeup up na yung purple pattern. Yeah, we are now board. Hindi pa naman boarding. Boarding time kay 1. Mga siguro alas 2. Though, dagan-dagan na sad. Full flight na sad na siya uli. Ganda kita nang uli sa CDO, no? Within the weekend. So, yeah. Maybe I'll just video inside the plane. And then later, kanaong ako. And I'm in Manila.